name is Davian, and it's the That Film crew again, and we're going to show you the basics of basketball. Our first thing we're going to go over is chest pass and bounce pass. So what you want to do for your chest pass, you want to have it like you're shooting the ball, and you step into it, and you pass like that. Yeah. And for a bounce pass, you want to kind of angle the pass so it reaches the person's chest like this. So now we're going to work on dribbling, one of the most important things in the sport. So when you do dribble, right or left hand, you want to go like this, like you're going to do triple threat. You want to dribble like this with the tip of your fingers and not your palm. Then you want to cross over with your left. And if you're more advanced, this is the more advanced dribbling, where you go in between your legs like this, and you switch over like this, and then you do behind the back. And you want to do 20 of those. Alright, so now we're going to move on how to get past your defender. Well, another most important thing, because you can have all these moves in your bag, but still not be able to get past your defender. So I'm a volunteer Justin right here to demonstrate a defender. So one move is a simple AI cross, where you do a crossover, you kind of lean in with your knee and come across. You can also sell the move using your eyes like in this way. Use is the double in between crossover. Sort of the same thing, but between that you want to do double between. See? And for the last one you want to do is spin move. Now sometimes people spin move like this, which would be a travel and also be a double dribble again. Proper way to spin move. Dribble the ball, come to the side, and go like this. And that's how you get past your defender. What we're gonna do is how to hesi fake. Hesi fake is one of the hardest things to do in basketball. So one of the things you want to do when you hesi fake is you want to sell the move with your eyes, not with your hands. Well, mainly your hands, but you want to sell it with your eyes, because if you just do this, you're not gonna think you're going this way. But if you're looking this way and you come with the crossover, it looks like you're gonna go that way and you switch directions. That is the basics of basketball. Hope you enjoyed. That Film crew out.